Welcome to DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. My name's Greg. Today I'm taking a look at the DEUTSCH DT style connectors from Iwiss. Now, our friends over at Iwiss sent this kit out for me to take a look at and give you my opinion on. As you see in this video, I am using one of their dual connectors, 2-wire connectors. They are available in configurations of 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12 wire connectors. These are commonly used in Harley-Davidson, NASCAR, and many other performance racing outfitters as OEM connectors. They are useful in marine application, also RVs. They do have a moisture barrier, O-rings, and also a fitted neoprene cover on the back side to help prevent moisture intrusion into the connector. They are reconfigurable, so you can remove the pins from the connectors and change them to other styles, either by going up in size or down in size on your connectors. The connectors themselves are also reusable. One thing I did find is that you want to be careful when you are installing the wedges. Make sure you get them in properly. Take your time and do not force them. I will be leaving a link in the description below to Iwiss on Amazon, where there's multiple different packages of these connectors available, different kits, along with just single pins themselves. So you don't have to buy the connectors again. You just can reuse the connector and put new pins in them. So sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and see how I get these built.